See, it looks like crap outside. It is, weather is bad, but we got to get to work, man. I need to get this stuff back together and get it on. I got my control arms back, so we'll put that on. Then we're gonna put that on. Then we're gonna move on to the axle, and then we're gonna move on to, no, we're gonna put this on, put that on. Then we're gonna move on to this link right here, which is right here, and then we're going to go to the axle. And then we're going to go to the strut. Let's get to it, man. We'll figure it out as we go. All these bolts, we're going to push the bolts through just like this, okay? Let me go with this first one. Right there. So that's passenger side. Shit on upside down. I'll be damned. Bottom one gotta come off. It's upside down. This should be pointing to the ground. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, y'all. Let me tell you. Do not rush. All right, and that's what I was doing. I was rushing. So this is the correct way. This needs to be facing down. This one facing down, and my piece here will slide up onto it. All right, so let's get to that finally. Not gonna lie, I did some sketchy shit to get this strut in there. I messed around and everything is super tight. So I needed this to come up on top and put my leveling kit up under it. So we got everything in now. last thing left to do is put on the, well, two things left. The spindle, not the spindle, but the rotor and the brakes. Alright, so, and I need to put my what you call it in here. Can't think of the name right now, but I know what it is, and I got it in my garage, so I need to do that. I need to get my C channel and so I can damn push this back and put the new pads on, and then put all this other stuff right back into where it belongs, and then we'll be in business. Okay, so let's get to that. All right, here go my piece. It's a grease fitting, and magic happens. Alright, here go all the gear right here that we need to get on. Oh, boy, this has been real. Alright, I gotta get two more bolts for this brake assembly, so we can get that going too as well. So let me get those. Ooh, this mic is greasy. I'm gonna have to clean this off. Okay, so I can't put this on yet. I thought I could reach that sensor, but nope, I can't reach it. So I'll put you right there. And I think my lights are dead. They are. Look at that shit there. That scarred that back of that damn pad up so that rotor so damn bad. Messed it up. Brakes were gone. Alright. Okay. Call it a day. Before I tear up something, I think I better quit and get back at this tomorrow because I'm tired. Yeah. So we'll see y'all in a couple of seconds. Okay, BSG, it's the next day here. So got my GoPro plugged up. So while it's charging, I'm still gonna use it. But we need to keep working. So let me do something right quick too. I'm watching a couple YouTube channels and they put up something that I ain't been saying. So let me put it out there. Disclaimer: I am not a mechanic. I'm not certified. This is entertainment. This is showing you how I do it. Mistakes I make, and at the same time, those mistakes I make, I learn from it. So hopefully you learn from what I'm doing so that you don't make the mistakes I make. So with that being said, let's move on. Okay, so yesterday we were doing these brakes here and I forced the brakes out and I did it wrong. That's one of the reasons why I quit, and I also was tired. So what I did was they gave me new clips and I was wondering why they had new clips. So, and I understand why, because these out, you're gonna have to kind of force them out. And I should have took it all the way apart, but I did only took part of it apart because I thought I could do the brakes real easy, like with everything still together, but that's not the case. So here is the case. So these clips right here, which are these, we need to pop out, and then we slide our brakes in, and then I brought the other brake in as well to get reference from it because the brakes are still in there, so that I can see how it looks. So with that being said, let's get to it. So pop these things here off, just that easy. And then these go on in this place. All right. Now, what I need to do, I need to put a little grease on these so that so I'm gonna use this grease to go on these here. But I'm gonna use the grease that they sent me to go inside of here for the brakes. The people that know me know I'm very forgetful of stuff. I mean, it's not a good thing, but it's kind of like nothing I can really do about it. Been talking with some people about it, but I mean, it's kind of like, I mean, it is what it is. What they said. They said that I'm getting older, so. But I don't believe that though. I don't think that's what it is. But I've been in a couple of headbangers. But I mean, that's what I think it is. But we all got problems. And I'm finding out with my process of getting out the Army that it's not as easy as everybody seems to think or may think it is. There's a lot, well, as far as retiring anyway, there's a lot that goes along with it. and I'm grateful to be one of the ones retiring. I got some battle buddies that wasn't so lucky. So let's make our way to the vehicle and get these brakes back on. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here is let's put this piece here in the sensor. Put in the carter pads and put the tire back on. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'll meet you on the other side. So guys, before I end this video, hey, I want to just say, well look, here, I cleaned up everything, you know, there you go. I cleaned up my area, got it clean like I said I would. And I want to say, I just picked up another subscriber, makes it 75 now. And he told me that the things I do motivate him, man. And that's all I'm into, man. That's all I want to do is motivate people to try to do things prior to them going to pay somebody. And appreciate that, man, and it also gives me motivation to keep pushing, man, and keep going. So we're gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. We out of here, man. We're gonna keep this thing going. Peace out.